Affiliate marketing is all about coming out of the box ideas and staying one step ahead of competition and thinking about the strategies which other people can't even imagine. Hey guys, my name is KJ and today I'm going to share 10 CPA marketing hacks which you can use today. Is always ask your affiliate manager to provide you relevant data before promoting any kind of campaign. Whenever you are promoting campaign or testing a campaign, you need to collect data, and you need to spend, of course, when you are using paid advertising, you have to spend money to collect all that data. But you can speed that process up and save your testing money by asking your affiliate manager to provide you campaign data. For example, what kind of devices the affiliate offer is working on, what kind of geos, cities, browsers, or all these information. You can get that from your affiliate manager, and also you can ask them what kind of angles are working best for your affiliate campaign. All of these things, if your affiliate manager can provide you, that will skip all the testing which you have to do and waste money on the placements and stuff, or on the devices or geos which don't matter, and actually focus all your budget on the segments where you're going to get profits. So that's number one. Number two is get the best payout by skipping affiliate networks. Now, this may sound crazy, but especially when you are an established affiliate, working with affiliate networks is not always a good idea. For example, in my previous videos, you may have seen why I went direct. I actually explained that as well. One of the biggest reasons is because affiliate networks not always are able to provide you the best payouts. And when you want to get the best possible payout, you will eventually have to look outside the affiliate network. So that's why going direct with the buyers, with the advertisers, sometimes works out way better as compared to working with affiliate networks. But don't get me wrong, affiliate networks do provide you some sense of security as well. For example, you get regular payouts and stuff like that, which you may not get with direct advertisers. But if you have good volume, if you are already in the market and you understand your vertical, or you understand your audience, that could really work out for you. But yeah, as I said, sometimes it may not work in your favor, in a way that, for example, affiliate networks pay you on weekly basis and stuff, whereas direct advertisers, they may pay you on monthly basis, and to get weekly payouts you may need more volume and stuff. So you have to look at these things. But overall, if you go direct, you're cutting out tons of middlemen, and you'll be getting better payouts. Number three hack is traffic sources. Many of the traffic sources have their own creative teams or media buying teams. Now, the thing is, someone who's working with a traffic source or ads or advertising network, they will have better understanding of algorithm as compared to someone who's outside, for example, me or anybody else. So these employees, or these teams, all these networks have, they may be able to help you, or they may be able to understand the network and its algorithm way better than anybody else. So what you can do is you can work with different advertising networks and ask them, like, do you guys have any internal media buying team which we can use? And in many cases it actually works. And sometimes, even if they don't have any media buying team, they do have agencies who are really working close with them, and they can provide you those services as well. So this especially works out, especially if you don't want to hassle with the media buying and you don't want to waste your time or stuff like that. For example, I have got plenty of push notification networks and native advertising networks who do offer not internal media buying, but media buying for some of their clients. Now, one thing you need to remember is you can't just go with these kind of networks or these kind of arrangement and expect it to start with $100 deposit or something like that. You'll have to not cheap out, and you will have to shell out some money, whatever the amount that they agree on. But yeah, it's not going to be cheap option. Like you will have to commit a certain number of a certain amount to get started. But yes, many of the networks do have their own media buying teams as well, who do buy media for their advertisers and manage all the campaigns. So the only thing you are left to do with is to just keep making deposits, and their teams optimize campaigns for you, create creatives, work on ads and all that. So that saves you from all of the hassle. All you're going to do is just topping up your account and running campaigns. You manage on your affiliate side of things. If you need help with that kind of stuff, you can contact me and I can direct you to 2-3 networks who are doing that with not that many high budget requirements. I think the lowest I have seen is $1,500. You have to deposit, and then you can use the network's own media buying team. Now, fourth, I guess it is fourth, yes. The fourth hack is to always go direct with the top converting traffic feeds. Now, you may have noticed many big networks use traffic feeds. For example, if you're looking at native networks or even push networks and stuff like that. So if you can find out which network, which publisher is using that, have this publisher ID or whatever, if you can recognize that feed and match that publisher with the feed, you can actually go direct with them and work with those. For example, like with big native networks, what we usually love to do is to spend some amount on a native network, see which publishers are sending us the high quality traffic, and then go direct with them. And by doing this, we easily slash your media buying cost to 50%. Like, you are going to pay way less amount as compared to paying the amount you pay to the bigger network, and the quality is really good, and you save up tons of money. And you can go exclusive with these publishers as well, and you can commit to buy all their traffic inventory. And arrangements like these are really amazing, and they work out really well. We are doing this kind of similar kind of arrangement with a couple of the publishers, and that's going really well. So you can do that. And if you don't know the publisher ID and stuff, I would highly recommend you to use websites like Nerdy Data, or is it Nerdy Tech? I will write the link in description. I don't exactly remember. And the second is Similar Tech. And another one is Built With. These 2-3 websites are the ones which can help you to scrape out the publisher IDs and all that, using which you can actually find out which publisher belongs to which network and all that, their publisher ID from different ad networks. Now, the next hack is to use American Express to get free flights. I love this feature. The thing is, when you're running affiliate marketing campaign, you are spending thousands of dollars, and if you're using any normal bank cards and stuff, it's useless. It doesn't give you anything. Whereas if you use American Express, you can collect American Express points, which you can convert into hotel stays and flights and stuff like that. Most of the affiliates I know use American Express to get their free flights and stuff like that. For example, you may have noticed many affiliates who are traveling through business class and first class and stuff like that. Most of that stuff is free, and that is because of American Express points. And you can book hotels, you can book Lambo when you go to Dubai, whatever you want to do. I don't think so there's a better card than American Express at the moment, which is accepted globally, and which works globally basically. So that's super important. To take advantage of it, you will save tons of. Okay, the next tip is, next hack, not tip, hack is to ask tool providers to give you a discount by buying their annual memberships. Now, another one would be, if you want to buy something, buy during the Christmas or Black Friday or something like that during these times. But if you can't buy it during that time, the next thing you want to do is you want to always contact the company and ask them, okay, I want to buy an annual plan or something like that, but I don't want to pay this high fee. And it always works out. I mean, even though they have all the pricing plans and stuff like that, they always make an exception, because any company would hate to lose a customer. I have been working with the companies for over 10 years or something like that, and I never pay the exact price they have listed on their website. I always negotiate, because that's that's a habit. But yeah, always negotiate the price, and the worst they'll say is no, which is fine as well. Nothing wrong with that. But you can always ask for or negotiate your price, and by quarterly or annual memberships, you can decrease your payments. The next hack is always ask advertisers for exclusive lenders and creative packs. Now, not many of you may know, but all the advertisers, or most of the advertisers, or any good advertiser, will have multiple landing pages and multiple creative packs. Now, for example, what kind of creative packs I'm talking about? The biggest struggle right now I'm seeing in media buying is, creating all these videos, creating testimonials and stuff like that. Guess what? Advertisers may have that. They already have this kind of stuff. They're already using this stuff internally, and they provide that stuff to their top performing affiliates and stuff like that. And they spend good amount on testing this stuff and getting this stuff created or designed and stuff as well. So it doesn't always hurt, if you're working with an affiliate network, to ask your affiliate manager to check if they have anything, or if you're working directly with the advertiser, to check with them, because all of them will have custom landing pages depending on the traffic source. And then you can also ask them, like, what are your top converting landing pages for this traffic source? Do you have any landing pages which are not saturated? Because if it's the same landing page and every 1,000 affiliates are using it, it's possible that that landing page is saturated as well. So it's really important to have some good landing pages which are not saturated, which are not public or available to all the affiliates, and that's how you beat the competition. And same thing with the creatives as well. Most of the advertisers, a good advertiser I'm talking about, do have these creative packs created for their affiliates or their own internal media buying teams, and they won't ever hesitate to let you try. I mean, in my campaigns, many times I got access to editorials, landing pages where the advertisers spent millions of dollars, and they were super optimized. So that always really helps to get your hands on stuff which you can use not for one campaign but 100 campaigns. It helps you to understand what works as well. So always do try. Again, never hesitate to ask. Now, another thing is, the next hack, it's really a good one as well, I personally like, is to buy traffic from affiliate networks or advertisers. Now, affiliate networks or advertisers not only buy traffic, they sell as well. They want to maximize their revenue as well. They want to monetize their traffic which they bought from affiliates as well. So they may have their own private push platform. They may have their email mailing list. They may have their SMS list or stuff like that. Always ask, always reach out. How can I monetize it? Maybe you have this offer, I have something related to it, and I can try it out. For example, I'm running life insurance. How about I suggest people to, after checking life insurance, maybe you want to try credit score, try checking your credit score, or yes, you protected your family's future by getting life insurance. Now, how about investing some money as well, maybe $50 in stock or something like that? That always helps. So related offers, take related offers and see if you can buy that traffic from your advertisers or affiliate networks. Now, another thing is, many times affiliates have cash flow issues. Like, you want to spend big, you have a proven offer, right? Let's look at the scenario first. You have a proven offer, it's working well, but you don't have budget for it, for scaling it. Here's what you can do. You can sign insertion order with the advertising networks and get a credit line from them, and they'll be happy to provide you credit line as long as you haven't done anything dodgy or stuff like that. And with that, that gives you enough time to actually buy traffic on credit and then pay back when you get paid. You can pay back in 60 days or whatever at the time, or even if you need more time, affiliate networks or advertising networks would be happy to give you more time. So that always works out. So make sure to take advantage of it. And it really helps out, especially when you don't have that much budget and you want to scale really fast. This hack really helps out. The last hack is for those people or those affiliates who can't afford all these expensive tools and stuff like that. Now, here's what you can do. You can ask your affiliate managers if they have any tools or the tools which you are looking for, if they have access and they can provide you access to that tool. Most of the networks or most of the affiliate managers will have access to this stuff. So all it takes is to just ask them. Just be nice and be social, and many networks are really happy to help their affiliates as long as you're working with them, as long as you are honest with them, as long as your relationship is good with them. They won't mind, because at the end of the day, affiliate networks' goal is to help you increase your revenue, increase your conversions, increase your results. And if tracking tools or spy tools or any other tools help you, they will be able to provide you, and many networks actually do. So do not hesitate to ask. Now, these were the 10 hacks which I wanted to share with you. At the end, I would just want to give you one suggestion, that is, whenever you think of something, or whenever you face a problem or stuff like that, don't just sit down. Ask around. Ask anyone. Ask your affiliate manager. Ask your ad network manager or stuff like that, and someone somewhere will help you out. Because your affiliate manager and your ad network account manager, that's their job, to help you out and make things easy for you. Their job is not to just give you link to offer or stuff, but actually provide you support, provide you things which you need to succeed. So use it. And if you can't get help from them, reach out to other affiliates. We get tons of questions every weekend, or if there are legit questions or legit requests, we always love to help them. And I know so many affiliates or so many people who actually do that. Or a community is really, really full of amazing people, and they are always willing to help. All you have to do is just ask and never hesitate. So that was today's video about 10 hacks you can use in affiliate marketing or in CPA marketing. I hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, because I'm planning to add more videos. And give thumbs up to this video and let me know your opinion in comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.